Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Thursday, 23 November 2023. I have a few potential trade setups to discuss, where I will try to get long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the Swiss franc, and I'll try to short the CAD, the US and the yen for today. My first pick of the day is a potential short on the CAD Swiss. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The CAD Swiss retracing now back to this level I've identified earlier this week also. If we look at the CAD, way weaker than the Swiss. So I'll look for some pattern reversals there to look for some shorts. The US Swiss is a trade that we got yesterday. Shooting star. I think I was a bit overzealous with this one. I don't think the shooting star is that good. I think the lower shadow should have been shorter, but nonetheless we're in. We took it on the live stream and we're in the trade, and now we sit with these targets. Guys, you can always come to the live stream during the day and see where I have put the targets. The Euro CAD bouncing almost off the level I'm watching. It just missed it, but with the euro stronger than the CAD, I prefer longs here. The breakout, I would like to see a breakout and a retest or a decent test of this structure here. For now, it missed it, and I'll see what I can do on 1 hour or 4 hour charts. Being a banking holiday in the US, I most likely will only focus on 4 hour charts for today. New Zealand US, we got the long yesterday, missed my stop. I trailed the stop loss there, missed it there with a pip and a half, and then bounced off on the hammer candle. We took another long on the live stream yesterday and starting to look good at this stage. I'm considering trailing stop loss, but I'll make the decision on the live stream. So for now, just holding on tight. I've set the targets at the 1.27 of the swing of this last one here. Then Aussie CAD. Also, flag pattern. I'm waiting for the retest here. Aussie way stronger than the CAD. I would also look for the consolidation, the break and the retest. Otherwise, it should test the 61% level. So I've got both potential entries that I can do, a long from here or the break and a retest, and then a long from there. Pound US yesterday took the long. I got in a little bit late because I had internet problems. I said it on the live stream also. The entry was down here. And with the entry down there, if you got that entry, you would have had a T1 here. Now for me, that's a 1 to 1.5. Unfortunately, with me getting in later, I had to go to the next level for this specific trade here. And looking good, giving up a little bit now, was just flying up the page. But obviously, the resistance is coming in there, which was the T1. I said that earlier to my mentoring people also on my website. So nothing new here, just a question of holding on tight. I'm trailing the stop loss now to this low here. I did it already this morning. Also, you could have picked that up on the live stream. And I might consider lifting it slightly higher, but let's see. For now, this is the stop loss. Pretty much for me at entry, if you got this here, you are slightly in the money on this trade. In the pound CAD, also bouncing off this retest of this triangle pattern here. So we had the break, the retest. Now I'm looking for longs. Most likely I will only consider 4 hour trades here because it's a US banking holiday. Saturday is Thanksgiving in the US also, so I guess Friday will also be some quiet for tomorrow. So I've got some open trades. I don't want to overexpose into their long weekend, and adding on 1 hour trades might be a little bit fast, or if I do the 1 hours, I'll just do them small enough so that there's some space for 4 hour adding. So pound CAD, definitely looking for some longs here. I don't really see 1 hours. We got a little bit of a bullish engulfing there. Not something I would use so early in the morning. Let's see then. The S&P 500, we did the 4 hours. We tested the level. And then on the live stream yesterday, I gave the double bottom here. We entered the trade there. Slightly late. I didn't want to do the breakout. I waited for the close. We have trailed the stop loss from down there to there. And this morning I'm using these lows minus 6 points. So we're looking good in the money on this trade. I will look for trailing stop losses during the day. For now, I'm just holding on tight. I don't have any new entries that I will be doing on this one. In the Aussie yen, Aussie much stronger than the yen. This last swing starting to show. We had this pattern, the consolidation pattern, now the breakout. So I'm waiting for some form of a retest at the 50% Fibonacci at market structure here. I'll be looking for longs. I'll some pattern reversals. In the DAX, unfortunately, usually the stops on the DAX are a bit too sizey if you look at the minimum position size for a smallish account. So I'll see if I can, within the parameters of the $1,000 account here, if I can take the trade. But if there's a trade, I will then show it. I might not take it, because obviously if the stop loss for this specific account is too big, it's bigger than the 1% that I'm willing to lose, then I'll step aside. But for the larger accounts, obviously I will take that on the larger accounts. With the euro weakening from number 1 to number 4, I am interested. I would like to see the euro come down a little bit more, because I need a weaker euro to be stock market bullish here. But triangle, nice triangle, the break and the retest now. But we've got the S&P 500, and there's a very nice setup on the Ftse coming up, which I would rather enter into. So this one, I'll still watch it. I like it. I just need the euro to fall a little bit further before I can take this trade. Then the euro New Zealand, euro there, New Zealand. New Zealand's fighting for the first spot with the Aussie. That's normal. I would look for the retracements back to this 61% level here at this market structure. There, I'll look for some shorts if I get some pattern reversals. In the New Zealand yen, also a very nice bullish run after the consolidation. So the retracement back to the 61% FIP at market structure here. I will consider some longs. New Zealand yen, definitely one of the better ones to be long in on retracements. Then on gold, consolidating a little bit on a weak dollar. Trend is just reversed. So I would like to see a break on that level, and then the retest, some 1 hour or 4 hour reversals to get long. I think then, guys, we can go back up to the previous all-time highs at 2072. So that's the two levels that I'm watching. Is the entry here, and I would love to see a target at 2072. That'll be absolute awesome trade. But let me not run ahead of myself. Let's wait for the break, and then we will consider the longs. And my favorite setup for today is a long on the Ftse. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now, back to the Ftse. Big triangle on the Ftse. Pound weakening. I like the weakening of the pound because that is stock market bullish, with the trend bullish, with the US markets bullish. I would like to see a break and a retest and some candle reversals here. So they will be open today and tomorrow, so I can't see a problem with this market. But a very nice triangle. I just need the break and the retest. So maybe this afternoon or tomorrow morning, it's possible. But this is the one that I favorite the most for today. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you guys. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.